hubattanii mee takka warri kun waa isinirraa baree adeemu naamusumaan gattaa. Isaan dammaandaan nazaan hin baate qabatanii adeemanii Oromoon akkasitti wal bulcha Oromoon lafa bilisoome irratti wal dhagahaa jedhanii ollaatti saba isaanii bilisaa baasan gargaarsa danuu ta'a. Akkam jirtu ummattu Oromoo akkam jirtu? Akkam jirtu? Nagaa. Naguma. Galatoma. Afaan Oromoo fixeerra. Ayyan. Your Excellency Jalmaro, the leader of Oromo Army, and all the leaders and members of Oromo Liberation Army in all parts of Oromia. Your Excellency, the trainers and staff of Oromo Liberation Army Military Training Camp. Your Excellency, the respected young men and people of Oromia, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm very happy and energized for having you, and I want to express my happiness on behalf of Gambella Liberation Army. Initially, I would like to thank the leaders of Oromo Liberation Army for their quick response they made on our request at the time we asked their willing in order to have joint activities for the struggle to liberate our people suffering under the dictatorial regime of Abiy Ahmed. Particularly, I would like to thank the very initiative and courageous leader, Jalmaro, for his being open and positive, and truly revealed is willing to cooperate and help us at the ground level of our struggle. From the day after our request has got accepted, we were very happy and sent our first advance team to meet Oromia Liberation Army leadership in Oromia territory. Then after they had a very important and successful meetings that encourages our unity to work together until now. From there, I and my comrades were very surprised by the leadership under Oromo Liberation Army by revealing a culture of charity and unconditional love to us since the first day till today. Both Oromo Liberation Army and Gambella Liberation Army are freedom fighters. They are fighting against the same enemy for the same reason, in order to bring back the naturally given dignity and freedom that their people have lost for a very long time until today. Both Oromia and Gambella are the regions sharing the same boundary, Tielzen, and it is not by their choice to live together. Rather, it is arrangement made by nature. Both the two regions will continue enjoying the same border and stay together as it is naturally created settlement. Today, the Oromo Liberation Army and Gambela Liberation Army together graduated thousands of soldiers for the ongoing struggle against the dictatorship regime led by Prosperity Party. Today, it is a day that we had never met in common in our past history. Today, it is a day that Gambela Liberation Army and Oromo Liberation Army together enjoyed the first ceremony for the first time. From now on, the Oromo Liberation Army and Gambela Liberation Army will start joint operations, and I'm sure that the joint operations of the two will stop all the challenges facing the two liberation armies differently in their respective territories. And also it will bring a very successful victory in the near future. Finally, I would like to appreciate both Oromia and Gambela young men and women for they choose it a total sacrifice for their lives to liberate their peoples from torturing under undemocratic rule of Abiy Ahmed. Victory is on our hand. The struggle will continue. The struggle continues. Viva Gambela Liberation Army! Viva Oromo Liberation Army! Thanks. Genetoma. Wakayosin Ayapisu. Injifanu Umata Oromo. Injifanu Umata Uru Gambela. Genetoma. Kakwidun in Lagar Gambel. Chiloitet ko Chikon Chang Walaga Chikon Chuk Chang graduation. Kwidun Yangari Brar Gambel Kakwi liberation ko Goriano Nabian Chikambel being a Jagalor. Here being a Waikashi and Quanaman, Chikitanking Guluan. Goroyan Yarunchum Kapia William, Lake Cherman Chachar. Kaguria on Manchikon and Romia on the Manchalat Oroma Liberation Army, Goro Yaji Lagwami, and the Alichakon Ariana Ticha Kumi Juitin.